Eva Trades.
Hey, welcome to the Risk Management Simulator series where I am focused on managing risk. Keep an eye out for that real money trading video. It is coming up next. This video, however, is all about the simulator and managing risk. And how about that night sky behind me? It is a thing of beaut. We'll see you there. And day trading is risky. So learn a strategy like mine, practice it in a simulator, get good at it, and then switch over to real money. Welcome to Eva Trades. And my name is Josh. And today we're going to look at some charts. First off, if I can get it up here, first thing I want to do is take a look at the progress. So I'm up $1,046. 4 green days in a row. I've been following my rules here. Daily max loss is 400. If I'm green and give back half, I'm done. I can't take more than 4 positions to start the day because obviously I would lose more than $400. And if I hit my daily goal of $200, I can continue trading. That's what I did on the last trading video. I kept trading and made 400 and some odd dollars. The video before that, I kept trading and lost and gave back half. Sometimes that happens. Okay, so here we go. Let's shrink that down. If you want to see that, you just go to the website, evatrades.com. Actually, here's the website. I have not refreshed that page. And you go to the risk management tab and it'll show you right there my progress and my rules. And the rules will change as we go along when I'm going to be adding to them or taking away or changing things a little bit. If you have any ideas for rules that you like to follow in your trading, feel free to share them with the rest of the class. We'd all love to hear it because we are all about making our trading better. And so if we learn together, we may be stronger. Just a thought. All right, here we go. So we have 5 minutes to go till the market opens. It is October 28th in the simulator on a Friday. And the first stock I'm looking at is NUVL. We made a really nice move from $20 all the way up to almost 40. So almost 100% move there. Pulled back now. We consolidated and found support at 34.20. And now we have kind of a lower high here at 37.64. So bulls pulling back. There is this little support level down here. I'm going to kind of ignore that and say that anything above 34.20 is a higher low. Bulls would love to hold this support area, but we've already kind of broke it a little bit. We'll see what happens. It is consolidation. It is choppy, as you can see. So we just need to be cautious. That's all. And if I look at the 15-minute time frame right here, you can see the bulls tried to break over this candle and failed. So we have the makings here of a bull break, bear break scenario. Now that hasn't happened yet, but it's looking like it's a possibility. We'll see. Look at HTCR over here on the hourly with that nice high from yesterday, the pullback post-market. And then we got this double top up here pre-market. So high, low, lower, high. Bulls looking for a higher low somewhere down here. This is choppy stuff. So let's take a look at the smaller time frames now. Yeah, this is a really expensive stock, but I don't mind trading them. Actually, I need to go down. All right, TEN, big move up, low volume on that move up, higher volume on the pullback. That's not a good sign, but it is a bull pennant at the moment as we're tightening up the range here. Maybe we find support at the VWAP, but I wouldn't think so. Anytime you have this red candle, sorry, I keep clicking in the mic. I'm going to have to do something about that. I caught that in the last video and I'm like, oh God, that's annoying. I got to stop doing that. So we had this inside bar bear break. So I don't know. It's a wait and see on TEN. I'm not sure what to say about that one. There's not a whole lot of price action to really go off of there. And we kind of went over HTCR. It's really a lot of choppiness on the smaller time frames. I think that hourly time frame was the most clear. So we're looking for a higher low On the hourly time frame, so I would be looking for a 15-minute trend change. Right now we have a lower high, lower low on the 15. So I would be looking for bulls to make a move up. Anything below $1.98 is a lower high on a move up. Bears would like to see the bulls fail to break $2 and then roll over and get a lower low. That's what the bears would want. The bulls, however, want to get up close to $2, pull back and consolidate, and then break through. And we have that 5-minute downtrend. So I'd be looking for a 5-minute trend change here. And it looks like we're getting close. Right now we have this nice move up where we broke this last level. Pulled back. Looking for a higher low, but it's still choppy. So we'll see if we get that higher high and a break through the VWAP. And that could tell us that we have our bottom set on the 15-minute time frame. Or you could even say on the hourly. I feel the frogs creeping in. They're coming in, Ma. Oh no. Frogs. Once in a while, those little creatures come along. Oh, hey, we have another one over here, by the way. Less than a minute till the market opens, but ePix from yesterday, and actually I kind of like this one better than any of the others because we have this higher low and it looks like we're getting follow through. Might possibly get a higher high. 5-minute time frame, stair stepping up on the 1 minute. Would not be surprised to see us pull back for a second on the 1 minute. Would love to see us come down and hit that VWAP or at least the EMA before making the move through the highs. We have that high from yesterday here at $4.99. So a $5 psychological, pretty strong level. And then you have that little pivot at $4.75. This is the hourly time frame here that I'm looking at. So we can keep an eye on those lines breaking out right away. So bulls taking control. We'll see if they maintain that control on this first 1 minute candle. Take you back over here to the other side. So far, not much happening. Need to see more volume on 10. 20 seconds left till I could possibly place a trade. Look, it looks like the bears might be stepping in here. I see some volume there and a possible move on HTCR. That could end up being a loss. But let's see. I'm going to sell it just for a quick 20 bucks because I didn't like it. I don't like that other stocks are moving down. So we'll see what we get here. I think I just did that snappy thing again. Take a look at ePix over here. You can see where the bulls did break, but the bears took control. And now we'll see if the bulls can take back over. So it's a whole lot of give and take here. 472, 471. Okay, I'll go ahead and buy it. I think ePix is the obvious stock for right now. I think didn't it have a spread on it yesterday? Wasn't that the one that, or the last video? Wasn't that the one that was spready? I thought it was. So not getting that breakout there. Inside bar on the 1 minute time frame. I don't like this price action that I'm seeing here. Yeah, there we go. So losing 120 bucks there. I'm up 20 on the other screen. So I'm down 100 so far on the day. My max loss is at 100 bucks or $400. So I'm still good. Below the VWAP on HTCR, but I do like this attempt at a breakout. I'm only in it one time just because I don't completely trust it. EPIX on a larger time frame over here. It is back testing. If you look here, it's back testing that previous equilibrium that we had. So down at 439. Could possibly try to get in there, I suppose. But I'm not sure that. I mean, it'd be a good spot to try. Let's take a look over here at HTCR now starting to break. Let's see if we get any follow through on it. I don't know. It doesn't look like follow through to me. It looks like I just got stopped out. Down 200 bucks on the day. So let's take a break and we'll sit back and kind of watch things here. Right now, trading below the VWAP on all three of the stocks that have any kind of volume. Well, yeah. And 10 doesn't have any volume. Not really interested in 10 at all. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take EPIX and put them over here so we can all keep an eye on these three stocks that are interesting. Looking for the bounce potential here on NUVL. Sitting there at 34.50. I'll sell half right there, but only for a small profit because it's got a spread. So there we go. So I'm making 90 bucks on that one. And I can't trade EPIX. So what I need to do here, see, take a look down here. See my price ladders, EPIX has not loaded. So I've paused the simulator. And I'm going to go up here and I'm going to turn off the on-demand feature so that goes live. So that's a live market. And so now if I look back down here, now the price ladder has loaded. So now I'm going to go back up here and I'm going to turn the on-demand feature back on, press pause. And we'll look down here and the price ladder is still there, but the price is wrong. So this is a problem with the simulator. Let me try this. I'll type in like AMD and then we'll go back to EPIX again and see if we get lucky if it loads. Oh, now it's really not wanting to work. Okay, so because I want to trade EPIX, so what I'm going to do is press play again. So I've pressed play and look over here. So I'm in EPIX over here, looking for that bounce. I'm going to move my stop loss up to the low of that candle. I want to see if we get a good bounce off of this level. I'm looking kind of at the longer time frame. I might take the profit early. It just depends. Risking $60. I'm in over here now. And I'm selling all of that. I'm thinking about getting back in it. Let's see if it can continue. I'm adding as it's moving up. Boom. Oh my God. Did you see that? Holy. That was insanity. Insanity. Oh, Jesus Christ. That makes me all tickly inside. You saw that, right? You totally saw that. That was insane, man. That was that was a short squeeze if I've ever seen one. I wanted to get back in it, but it didn't come back down. It came down once, and I was like, okay, it comes down again. I'm getting in, and it's probably halted. I'm thinking right now. So, wow. That was nuts. I actually exited. Oh, it's not halted. It's just my charts are frozen. I actually got out of ePix over here because I didn't like it. So I'm down 120 there. I'm down, whoops. Okay, down 120 there. I'm down 80 here, so that's down 200, but I'm up 742 here, so I'm up 542 on the day. Holy Christ. Some crazy price action there. Hey, I'm back. Look, the computer over here that I stream from, it just quit recording and pulled up this dialogue, and it said, hey, guess what? Your computer's about to run out of space, so we stopped your recording. So I was like, God. So I'd like to finish trading, but I deleted something so that I could get back on here and just say, hey, you know, I got interrupted, so I'm going to have to stop trading so I can go free some space off my computer because I got some real trading to do here soon. It's 4:30 in the morning. The market opens in 2 hours. I'm going to be doing some real trading. This is my last simulator video of this night. I've put together, of this morning rather. I've put together like, what, 4 of them I've released on YouTube this morning. So doing pretty good. Up 542 bucks on the day. Thanks for watching. I hope you'll come back soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.